Why does having too many choices make us less happy? I'm Luca, and I'll show you why more options can backfire. So, why does having many options drain our energy? Luca realizes that every extra option taxes his mind, turning his brain into a heavy load. The mental strain saps his energy. But why does feeling fatigued make us regret our choices? Luca watches two scales tip as fatigue turns his mind toward what could have been inflating regret. The more exhausted we feel, the heavier the regret becomes. So, why does regret lower our overall happiness? Luca sees a cracked heart as regret seeps in, stealing joy and dimming happiness. The emotional drain leaves us flat. But why does anxiety from too many choices affect our mental health? Luca watches a dark cloud loom over his thoughts, each extra option adding pressure that clouds his mind. The stress from overload chips away at well-being. So why does this paradox matter for everyday life? Luca writes the final insight. The paradox of choice means that too many options drain us, fuel regret, and steal happiness, shaping daily life. Understanding this helps us simplify and feel better. But then, why does having many choices improve our decision quality? Luca wonders, why does having many choices improve our decision quality? The truth is, extra options create confusion, which actually lowers decision quality. Why does this confusion reduce our creativity? Luca asks, why does this confusion reduce our creativity? When our brain is overloaded, creative thoughts get blocked, leaving us stuck. Why does stifled creativity affect our sense of control? Luca ponders, why does stifled creativity affect our sense of control? Overload makes us feel trapped, shrinking our perceived control. Why does losing control make us avoid future decisions? Luca notices, why does losing control make us avoid future decisions? Fear of overload pushes us to postpone or skip choices, creating avoidance. Why does this avoidance loop trap us in unhappiness? Luca reflects, why does this avoidance loop trap us in unhappiness? Each avoided choice builds regret and stress, deepening dissatisfaction. So, why does having too many choices make us less happy? Luca shows us that the overload of options exhausts our brain, sparks regret, anxiety, and a loss of control, which drags down our happiness. Think about the next time you face a menu. That's the whole story at a glance. Now, draw me the world.